I show you how you can create silhouettes automatically with the silhouette tool. So if you're in the Wargame counter tool, you just go to your sidebar entry assets, and then on the tab silhouettes, you find the button extract silhouette on the bottom, and you click it, and then a new window opens. And what you will do now is you either open your image or you just drag it in. So in this case, we just drag it in. And now you can see you got the silhouette image you downloaded from the internet here. So what this tool does and how it works is you have to select the object inside your image you want a silhouette of, and then you can create the silhouette. So in this case, if your silhouette image is like perfectly squared and there are no other parts of other views like side view or front view reaching into your image, you can just click on rectangle, and now you just drag your left mouse button and just drag the rectangle around it. You see the selection highlighted in red, and now you just hit create silhouette. And you see it creates a silhouette for you. You can now turn it. You want like aircraft silhouettes, you want facing up, so let's face it up. And then you can either save it as a file. You see the file is here now. Or the other thing you can do is you can save to library. Let's name it F16 test. And now it automatically saved it to your user silhouettes folder. So under the silhouettes tab, you can scroll down and see the user entry F16 test. And here is the silhouette now. And if you go into any order of battle and create a new air unit, for example, you can select it. It's instantly here, user F16 test. And there is the silhouette. So this was a best case scenario. Sometimes it doesn't work that well. So I'll show you another example. For example, let's say you got this silhouette. Now you run into two problems. The first problem here is if you select a rectangle, you notice that you got other parts of other silhouettes from the front view and the side view reaching into your rectangle that's selecting the top view. So if you create the silhouette now, this part of the side view and this part of the front view will be also part of the silhouette, and you don't want that. So for silhouette images like this, you can select freehand, and with the freehand tool, you can now, like with your mouse, scroll manually around your silhouette you want. So you just go around, drag along the line manually. And now you see that the selection follows your mouse movement, and now you can create silhouette. But if we create the silhouette now, we'll instantly see the second problem that may occur. So let's create it. And now you see that the silhouette is not perfect. Like these parts of the wings are not black. And this happens because you can also zoom in, because you see some images don't have that good quality and there may be holes inside the silhouette. For example here. And what this tool does is it detects closed, uh, it detects objects with fully closed and sealed outlines. So if you got something like this, it will think that this is not one solid part. So in order to fix it, you can click on the brush tool and you can type in a smaller pixel size, for example 2. And what you can do now is you can draw inside the silhouette. And now you just go around your silhouette and manually close the holes. So if we check it out now, you can see this part of the wing now is closed. So we just got a problem here. We close the holes here too. And now you can see that there is still also a problem. Yeah, now it fits. Now we closed our holes. You also could use the eraser for in case you in case there is, let's say, there would be lines for naming something inside the image. You can also hit the eraser tool, and let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's say it's 5. You can also erase, and yeah, Now we got the image, we rotate it as we want. We call it F15 test, hit OK. And if we go into our order of battle now, select an air unit, and now we also find the F15 test silhouette we can now use on our counter.